Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm presenting a complete guest house floor plan designed in AutoCAD. This is a compact and practical layout suitable for a small residential guest facility. Let's start from the entrance. As you can see, the main entrance opens into a spacious guest sitting area. This space is designed to comfortably accommodate visitors and can be furnished with sofas, a center table, and a TV unit. Moving forward through the passage, we have a separate wash area and a well-planned bathroom. The bathroom includes proper ventilation with an exhaust fan provision, ensuring hygiene and airflow. Adjacent to this, we have a dedicated dining room. The dining space is proportioned properly to fit a standard 4 to 6-seater dining table. All rooms are connected efficiently through a central passage, ensuring smooth circulation and privacy. The wall thickness, door placements, and dimensions are carefully planned according to standard architectural practice. This design is ideal for small guest accommodations, rental guest houses, farmhouse guest units, compact hospitality projects. If you found this layout helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more professional AutoCAD floor plans and tutorials. Thank you for watching.